Hello, Dr. Webster, Dr. John, good to see you again. Question today is, why would you see a chiropractor and how often should you go? Number one, your brain controls pretty much everything in your body, either directly or indirectly. Do the research on it. Your brain is the master control center. Number two, the circuitry between your brain and every part of your body to the tips of your fingers and toes is the nervous system. You got the central nervous system, which is your spinal cord. Then you got the peripheral nervous system that comes off the spinal cord and goes to every cell. So everything in your body happens either directly or indirectly under the control of the nervous system. Well, your nervous system and your spinal column are intimately connected. I've had good conversations with neurosurgeons that I work with, and so this is how it is. Your spinal cord comes down through the middle of your spine. The nerves branch off the spinal cord and run out between the vertebrae. If there's serious damage, compression, rotation injuries to your spine, it can interfere with normal nerve transmission. That's just how it is. So we don't have to talk about stories where people have dramatic injuries like car accidents and they damage their spinal cord and they're paralyzed. If your spine is damaged or misaligned or jammed bad enough, it's going to hurt the nerves in that area. And then it's going to cause other problems as well. So anyone who's had any kind of damage or stress or injury to their spine should really have a chiropractor. Chiropractors are trained to look at the spine a certain way. We look at the alignment, we look at the movement, we look at the space between the vertebrae. My goal for every patient in my practice is to open those spaces as much as I can and realign those vertebrae that may have gotten out of alignment. This will help your body to have better nerve supply to every part of it. And also the nervous system affects circulation. Nerves and arteries run together, so one affects the other. So that's why you should have a chiropractor. And how often should you go? It depends on your goals. Do you want to just go whenever you feel like you need an adjustment or you're in pain? Then do it. The main thing is to go. You're much more, I don't want to say intelligent, but it just makes more sense to go and get an adjustment and get the pressure off those nerves instead of taking some medicine that may numb your nervous system or cover up the symptom. And I realize medicine is easy to get. I'm not knocking it. Sometimes it's appropriate and necessary. Sometimes I prescribe to it myself when it's indicated. But if you have tension or pressure on the nervous system and you go to a good chiropractor and they take the pressure off the nerves, most likely you will feel better and your body will start to heal the way it should. So that's when you should go. But now other people like me, we go for prevention and we go for wellness. And the whole point is, instead of letting gravity and stress and hard work and wear and tear compress our joints, I get my spine opened up on a weekly basis to try to keep as much pressure off those nerves as I can. Because I want the best nerve supply that I can get to every part of my body. I want the best blood flow that I can get to every part of my body. So that's why I take care of my nervous system. And I suggest you do too. Now, if you have a good chiropractor, you should go, and you should go on a regular basis. If you don't have one and you live in the Roswell, Alpharetta area, I'm your guy. Give me a call. Have a great day. Don't forget to smile. Thanks. Be good. Have fun. Life is awesome. Bye-bye.